An undocumented immigrant accused of writing letters threatening to assassinate U.S. President Donald Trump was framed. The prosecutors officially admit that. Ramon Morales Reyes, a 54-year-old undocumented immigrant, was arrested last week after officials alleged that he threatened to shoot Trump. He faces a deportation hearing Wednesday, which was today. In a court filing, prosecutors now claim the letters were written by Demetric Deshawn Scott, who is set to face trial on allegations he assaulted and robbed the immigrant, Mr. Morales Reyes. Mr. Scott has been charged with witness intimidation, identity theft, and breach of bail. He told investigators he wrote the letters to prevent the immigrant, Mr. Morales Reyes, from testifying in the robbery case, court documents said. In an interview after his arrest on the 22nd of May, Mr. Morales Reyes told investigators he suspected Mr. Scott wanted to get him in trouble after he accused him of robbing him. Mr. Morales Reyes didn't speak fluent English, and his handwriting is completely different from the writing on the letters that were written to Trump, according to the court filing. Police in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, then interviewed Mr. Scott, who admitted that he wrote everything in the letters and envelopes himself. When asked what was going on through his head at the time of writing the letters, the defendant stated, "Freedom," the filing said. According to the filing, he admitted his intention was not to threaten Trump, but to prevent Mr. Morales Reyes from testifying at his trial, which is scheduled for July. Last week, the Department of Homeland Security published a press release announcing Mr. Morales Reyes' arrest over a letter sent to an immigration field officer, including a copy of it. In the letter, the author said he would shoot your precious president in his head at a Trump rally before fleeing back to his native country of Mexico. Versions of the letter were also sent to Wisconsin Attorney General's office and Milwaukee Police Chief. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem posted a picture of Mr. Morales Reyes' face and a letter on social media writing that this illegal alien who threatened to assassinate President Trump is behind bars. When the White House Press Secretary Carolyn Leavitt was asked about Noem's post and whether it would be corrected or removed, she referred questions to the Homeland Security. And Noem's post, as of right now, still remains on X, the incorrect post about the immigrant writing a letter to threaten to kill Trump. Although Mr. Morales Reyes is no longer accused of making the threats, a Department of Homeland Security statement said Mr. Morales Reyes would remain in custody. Over the course of the investigation, this individual was determined to be in the country illegally and that he had a criminal record, it said. Mr. Morales Reyes will face a deportation hearing in Chicago on Wednesday morning, according to his lawyer. In a statement to BBC News, the lawyer said that his client and his family were relieved that it is now clear who actually wrote the letter threatening President Trump, but added that they've been traumatized by these events and hope to be reunited soon. We also believe that the Department of Homeland Security should issue a public statement acknowledging their error and calling for a stop to any threats against him and his family, the statement said. The lawyer added for Mr. Morales Reyes applied for a U visa, a type of visa given to victims of crimes who cooperate with law enforcement. But the backlog on approving the U visas is 7 to 8 years. Wow. Thus, we will be exploring other avenues of relief to try to keep him here. Demetric Deshawn Scott is set to face trial in July over the robbery case involving Mr. Morales Reyes. Mr. Scott is charged with multiple felonies, including armed robbery, aggravated battery, and use of a dangerous weapon. Local news outlet Milwaukee Journal Centennial described the alleged encounter, saying that a man captured on a doorbell camera suspected to be Mr. Scott assaulted Mr. Morales Reyes with a corkscrew while attempting to steal his bicycle. So we got an American, a pathetic American, trying to steal from an illegal immigrant and then trying to frame the illegal immigrant. How pathetic.